Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.
Yo. What is up, guys? 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 gamer here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Kyodi. Kyodi with a song called Villian. So apparently, Kyodi this a bag of people. So we're gonna jump out of what I want here and hear where Kyodi really I say. When I know what I go on, just done live reaction boss. Big up myself, bro. Forward and call me, cause him under the reaction. Call me and 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Big up myself, 𝐑𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 and say your war song just drop on man of this one. So we're there. We're gonna react to it. So wish me luck. Let's go. Oh, wait, before we go. Sorry to cut your reactions video, but this video is to promote what I'm doing this month. So this month is November, my month, Scorpio month. I am doing special price for promotion. So young artists out there that need promotion for their songs, to put their songs on the platform, reach out, link me on my DM. Link is in the description to my Instagram, or just type in 𝐿𝐼𝐻_worst_gamer. Reach out and we can talk. So we have price for 1 video, 2 video, 3 video, and 4 video. So link up to get the prices and we can work out something. You understand? So let's get back to the video. Alright, let's get back to this. Come, let's go.
Think them slick, 6 pants they both lick them cheap. Know them is slide already if them slip. Not a bad, take it bait like the fish 10 quick. Mark up. Them slick, 6 pants they both lick them cheap. Know them is slide already if them slip. Not a bad, take it bait like the fish 10 quick. Marcus, some kind already drive through Glen Drive already. Taros have wine a belly, kappa if you fly them jelly.
Some guy already drive through Glen Drive already. Who far from Glen Drive? Who far from Glen Drive? Glen Drive, the Spanish town, right? Sure, it's like Glen...
Cheap, know them is slide.
Oh! Authentic. Got to be. No. Who come from Glen Drive?
Already if them slip, not a bad, take it bait like the fish 10 quick. Marcus, some kind already drive through Glen Drive already. Taros have wine a belly, kappa if you fly them jelly. And up on internet me war, bleach by your hands till me whiter than your car busy.
Bleach by your ends till me whiter than your car. Who have white car? Fully bad have a white mark X them say. Alright?
Caught up in new gen, internet me war. Bleach by your hands till me whiter than your car busy. Caught up in new gen, coulda who a boost them. Yeah, so we love see them in a group, we shoot them. Just a bag of press button, yo, so we mute them. Oh, me love.
You hear mute them? You know hear how we mute them? Gunshot mute them, permanently mute. Lock off, light up, lights out.
Yeah. Your car busy, caught up in new gen, coulda who a boost them. Yeah, so we love see them in a group, we shoot them. Just a bag of press button, yo, so we mute them. Oh, me love the boss, fly Atlanta, shut up 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Oh, you fi shoot up town, I'm in a axe.
I love the war in Flag Atlanta. You know, said the man could reside America. Flag Atlanta shut up 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐿. So him change the name from 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂 and call him 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂. Wait. And then him say, oh you fi shoot up uptown and me not ask you. So obviously fully bad fraud from uptown. But
just a bag of press button, yo, so we mute them. Oh, me love the boss, fly Atlanta, shut up 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐿. Oh, you fi shoot up town, I'm in a axe. Oh, that a cost you. One in your chest, I bet your heart broke. Walk.
I go cost you. Mistake you make 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐿. The man say a mistake you make, you shoot uptown and never ask you. So basically, I tell you, you are him run uptown. So any shooting that go on uptown, him fi know about it or him fi order that. That never go on. So what you do? You go dead. That's what the chase is.
Town I'm in a axe. Oh, that a cost you. One in your chest, I bet your heart broke. Walk up. Shot the chef inna the kitchen, bout him having finger licking. One ma by 𝐿𝐼𝐻 Jamaica, who a chicken. Baker better be listening, no missing the eagle pick chicken. You hear me?
Baker better be listening. Are we talking about the artist Baker? Or the baker as in the person who bake? Who am I talk? This is more like a baker to me, the artist. Me just, I saw me say, me corrupt. Yeah, me corrupt. Even if I'm a baker, it's not like a baker. I'm baker.
Top tone, I'm in a axe. Oh, that a cost you. One in your chest, I bet your heart broke. Walk up. Shot the chef inna the kitchen, bout him having finger licking. One ma by 𝐿𝐼𝐻 Jamaica, who a chicken. Baker better be listening, no missing the eagle pick chicken. You hear me?
Eagle pick chicken. Baker better be listening.
A bird show me a pray and never pigeon. Say if mo want catch hot frost, me fi go fishing.
A bird show me a prey and never pigeon. So if me want catch hard frost, better him go fishing. So he must say hard frost a fish. Hard frost. Hard frost the man say about him, man.
A bird show me a prey and never pigeon. Say if me want catch hard frost, me fi go fishing. But me no do the fish thing, so better gauge listen. Stop. If me want catch hard frost, me fi go fishing. But me no do the fish thing, so better gauge listen. Stop right. Missing the eagle pick chicken, you hear me? A bird show me a prey and never pigeon. Say if me want catch hard frost, me fi go fishing. But me no do the fish thing, so better gauge listen. Stop right song and go on TikTok, what a bitch him.
Man say Gage a bitch. The man say Gage. Gage, the man say they on TikTok and you fi come down now. Him say you fi come down now. Him say you over TikTok. I beg gift. When you fi in the artist I write hits. That's what they
but me no do the fish thing, so better gauge listen. Stop right song and go on TikTok, what a bitch him. We no partial, nobody at all. If a war, then a war, somebody a fi ball. Yeah, key over war. We no partial, nobody at all. From a war, then a war, somebody a fi ball. Pussy, I wanna get in the news, stop tricking yourself, man. Me like be the villain. When me have a bag of friend, me no see no million. Fully bad them a fish, shoulda have a finan.
Me like be the villain. When me have a bag of friend, me no see no million. So he must say, yo, whenever a bag of people around him, he must feed too much people, so he not see no million. You see me? Let him move on and
plan. When me have a bag of friend, me no see no million. Fully bad them a fish, shoulda have a finan. Fag gang no fi depend all silla sillan.
Fully bad a fish. He should have a finan. Fish, fin. Fish have fin. So I must say, fully bad should have a finan. Bad gang no fi depend silla sillan. So I must say, yo, you know fi live fully bad. That's the way Kyodi said.
And fully bad them a fish, shoulda have a finan. Fag gang no fi depend.
Fag gang, him never say bad gang. Fag gang.
Now silla sillan. Watch all of them a team up, still a me one. Say them want run the place, what a vision. Then
I must say a dream, them a dream. He must say them want run the place, but a dream, them a dream. What a vision. Go and vision that. Watch all of them a team up. That's what the GS.
watch all of them a team up, still a me one. Say them want run the place, what a vision. Then say 2G pull up, but a no Babylon. When the things start, spray them turn Gabby done.
2G pull up, but I never police. I never jump out. I never ratty. 2G pull up with bass steppers. When the thing them start spit, them turn Gabby down the dancer, them a skank, them a move.
Then say 2G pull up, but a no Babylon. When the things start, spray them turn Gabby done. Gala start dance like them.
Them turn Gabby down, so Gabby down have the big dance with the drift. So when the thing pull up, them a drift. Gala start.
But I no Babylon. When the things start, spray them turn Gabby done. Gala start dance like them listen my song. When my nice as summer go on, watch your pan in a tam.
Gala, so obviously that authentic gang. Them a dance. Let them listen to him song. When my nice as summer go on.
Dan, Gala start dance like them listen my song. When my nice as summer go on, watch your pan in a tam. Fire blaze where them do the dragon. Them a run down war, ma beat them with a baton. Ya mama sitting or racing, do that for the fashion. Freaky dread, you with dead, killing her with passion.
Oras.
Pan in a tam, fire blaze where them do the dragon. Them a run down war, ma beat them with a baton. Ya mama sitting or racing, do that.
Animosity forward. Bad artist. Animosity, big up yourself.
Where them do the dragon, them a run down war, ma beat them with a baton. Ya mama sitting or racing, do that for the fashion. Freaky dread, you with dead, killing her with passion.
Animosity. The man say your brother, you're no ras, you do it for fashion, you're dread. Yeah, you're dread. Remember say, animosity are forward from unruly clash same way too, you know. You see me with Joshua them, in the clash with Joshua them and unruly clash and things same way.
Ya mama sitting or racing, do that for the fashion. Freaky dread, you with dead, killing her with passion. We shoot people for real, I want the Jason Statham. Take a long catch, boss and it make a Japan.
We shoot people for real, I want the Jason Statham for the transporter and expandables and all them big show there. So obviously Jason Statham an actor. So he must say, yo, him do it for real. I want to Jason say.
Pussy them a show up them colors like pepper light. So me and the killer them a golf make a step a night. But that stop right at the shop and beg a light. Nozzle in a face, head a bust, we no pressure pipe. Dynamos.
Nozzle in a face and bust with no pressure pipe.
Right at the shop and beg a light. Nozzle in a face, head a bust, we no pressure pipe.
Picture this. When there are some shop with on the bridge in them hang out and you see a car pull up and beg a light. You see a car pull up, a man jump out and beg a light. By the time the light get and man get him light, somebody get bust.
Night, but that stop right at the shop and beg a light. Nozzle in a face, head a bust, we no pressure pipe. Dynamos run your fuck so him get a spike.
Dynamos? Who name Dynamos?
Nozzle in a face, head a bust, we no pressure pipe. Dynamos run your fuck so him get a spike. Here the look of pussy now, boy him prefer Nike. Shit got them all come here mechanize. Try know the key shot them a your sweater size.
The man they know left off of them a shit gut. The man them a beat the shit gut bad. That's what the G them a said. Them say you have shit gut. Them say you have shit gut. Yeah. Them say you mechanize and then him say the bullet them big like your sweater size. Obviously, if you're real large, think them large.
Like shit got them all come here mechanize. Try know the key shot them a your sweater size. Oh no, we no partial, nobody at all. If a war then a war, somebody have it bad. Dead be a key over war. Any boy. We no partial, nobody at all. From a war then a war, somebody have it bad. I alien world, you hear that? For your violator, get it, man. You know, so the double barrel look at and yeah, man. Must be blind. Who next in line? The one with your teeth, my rhyme?
I know why he it's coming back to me now. It's coming back to me now. After him said that, who next for dead? One of teeth him line. If you remember closely, go back, watch about the reaction now. You know, one of fully bad song them where him at this Marco, him say him head mad like him season. Like him basically season up him slip with coke. In the war between Kyodi and 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Kyodi said the same thing. So after fully bad said that, Kyodi make an Instagram post and I say, yo, them a thief me line. So he put up theme track and then he put up fully bad track. The same part, the same line. And I said, see there? Them a thief me line. You see it?
Must be blind. Who next in line? The one with your teeth, my rhyme? Room in a face, any boy, anyway. Remember that. Mob, no boy, no way.
It's a good time to be a content creator in a dancer when the war at. Everybody a war. Tuna fly from everywhere and every song bad, bro. Like, me love it. Gage, where you there? We need another war somewhere. Come off a TikTok, man. Come down now, man. Come down now. People are calling out, bro. Everybody call your name, bro. Apart from them, everybody call your name. Where you there? Come down now, man. Come down now. Clash. Yes, so we know you for. Music, we know you for. War, we know you for. Same way too. And big song. Forward Gage. We need you. Kyodi, big up yourself. Villian, big up yourself. Bad bumbleclad song. One if a man I go answer this. Me know. At first I go answer. Animosity I go answer. Me know him I go answer. That you there, him now make that slide. Once a man calling him I go answer. And him bad. Me know him I go answer for your fact. Is fully bad gonna get distracted from 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍? I don't want him to get distracted from 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐿. I want him to focus on 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐿 because 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐿 bigger than the rest of the artists I'm calling him. Focus on the big artists. Conquer the big artists first if you can, and then go back to the rest of the artists them we are calling him too. You see me? So that is my plan that I would like to see you guys execute. Big up every artist. I do forward live and talk about on a song as well. Just follow off a live. So what you can do, you can join in on the discussion live. JAMAICA'S, big up yourself for forwarding on the live and do your thing. Dario, respect yourself for pass through me G and on the live and do your thing. So yeah, anyway, this is what I'm going to leave on still. If you enjoyed that one, I want to leave a like on the video. Subscribe around here if you do. Anyway, guys, this is where I'm going to leave this one.
Salute to 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.